Hello friends and welcome again. Today I will show you how to connect your any of your electrical accessory like extra light or a mobile charger with the accessory socket inside, which is available inside the headlight of our motorcycle. This yellow socket you see is the accessory jumper socket which Royal Enfield has provided inside the headlight dome for the use to connect any of the electrical accessory like a USB charger or some sort of auxiliary lights. So for this you just need this simple 2-pin connector which has a male female. We are just going to use the male part of it. I just got this, I luckily found this connector at Delhi's Bhagirath Place market. While I was just roaming around there, I went there for some work. I just spotted this at a roadside shop. It just costed me 20 rupees only. So I am just going to use this male part of this connector, this one, as the female one is already present here. So this is my USB charger. It has got this one here on my handlebar. Let me just show you. See, this is my USB charger. I have already fixed it, but I have given power to this using the indicator connector and the headlight connector, so that it will work with the ignition. But now I will fix this using this 2-pin connector, so that I can utilize this yellow accessory socket present inside the headlight. First let me just peel these wires off. So guys, I have got two wires from my USB charger. One is this red one is this red and black one. So what I did, I just connected this red and black one with the yellow one of the male part of this accessory, the socket which I have got, and the red one with the black part of this accessory socket. This is probably the earth and this is the main current wire. As you can see on the accessory socket, the yellow part of the accessory socket which is coming from the motorcycle, the red wire is on this yellow, the red wire attached to this yellow cable, and this black wire, the earth wire, attached to this black part of this cable. So this way we provided a perfect current. So now it is working. I'll just show you. Let me just take the camera off from the tripod. So as you can see, the ignition is off. Let me just try to turn this USB charger on. See, there is no power. This light glows when I turn the switch on. So let me just turn the ignition on now. The ignition is on now, and let me just turn the power on. You can see this light is on. It means the USB chargers got the power. So it means our accessory socket provided inside our headlight socket, is headlight dome, is working perfectly. So this is a very simple process. You just need to find this male female coupler to attach with your accessory socket inside your headlight dome. Let me just finalize the electrical connection by insulating these joints which I have made. Just put some tape on it. Just insulate these connections properly. This USB charger which I have got came with a connector to connect directly with the battery, but I have cut those connection and given the earthing from the headlight socket, this black one, and the main power from this indicator socket, this white one. Let me just insulate this wire properly with the electrical tape so that nothing is uncovered. Now I was actually looking for this male-female 2-pin electrical coupler for quite some time now, but I didn't find it anywhere, the local auto shop or any electrical shops. But luckily, yesterday I went to Bhagirath Palace in Delhi. It's an electronic market, so I went there for some regular electrical shopping, and I spotted these connectors hanging there at one roadside shop, so I just bought it. This 2-pin connector costed me 20 rupees only, and I also got a 3-pin connector in case I need it anytime. That one costed me 30 rupees only. Bhagirath Palace is a famous electrical market in Delhi, opposite Lal Killa, opposite the Red Fort. So now our connections are finalized. Let's just put this wire somewhere. Just fix the headlight back. Whenever you open the headlight, just make sure you put. Whenever you open the headlight, just make sure you put a towel or a rag on the on your mudguard so that your headlight won't scratch. You just put it properly. Just fix this headlight back and we are done. Just fix the headlight back. Just tighten the screw. Make sure you tighten the screw properly. It is just one screw that you have to open. The screw is on top of the headlight. You just have to lose it. Then you just carefully pull the headlight out and it will come out. You don't have to remove any headlight coupler for this job. So it is done now. Let me just test it once more. Here the coupler is off. The switch is off from my USB port. Now it's working perfectly and it is only getting power when the ignition is on. Thanks guys and thanks for watching. I hope this will help you.